610 and Old Katy Freeway this morning. Driver a chance. It's very important to me to respect the 18-wheeler drivers, because without those guys, we're nothing. Thank you, Mr. FedEx. We'll give this guy a chance. Looks like the paramedic is leaving. Give us a few people. We have a little hold up here. We have a record truck there. We have a fire truck there. Engine, I can't quite see the engine number. We're getting there. Hurry up. Start putting weight. Alrighty. We have engine number 11. We have several record trucks. This rig driver, he's doing great, making a nice turn. Perfect. Nice. This guy. Okay. 11. We have police unit 45074. These guys over here flipping the coin. Everybody okay?
Yeah.
Nice. All right, here we go. Oh man, look at there. All right, folks. Remember, be safe and take your time. Accidents happen real quick.